So I start by searching into the Odroid board. I put the password, and then as I sign in, we have written the script that's gonna run every time somebody logs in, and then it's gonna start the server, and then start the Storm processing engine, in which it will basically run the whole system to it will allow the whole system to start working. So I'll put the password so that it configures everything correctly, and then it will immediately start. And on the right side here, we can see that there is an iOS app which we installed into the tablet. So what this app is going to do, as you open it, it will show you this screen where you will see the energy consumption for today. As you can see, for today we started running this simulation from 17:30, and then it kept on recording all of these values. Yeah, so as we run it right now, yeah, so we can see the storm is running right now, and then it starts picking up the values from here. And then on this chart here, we can see it has started picking up the values. We can see we have two sockets which we add them by going into this area here, add socket. So you can add the name of the socket and the MAC address like this, and then you can have an option to delete or remove. And then when you go to settings here, you can see that you can set up the threshold for that socket, and then you can either make it active or inactive. And then you can also set up an email where you want to receive the notification of an alarm. So as you can see, one of the socket is off, so I'm gonna turn it on, and the readings, they will start picking up, and you can see it from here as well. Yeah, they've started picking up. And then I can decide to bring the other graph as well. So I've switched off the second one, and then I've turned on the graph. You can see here it went all the way to 0 because we switched off, and the values, they are from here. They are all of them, they're being switched to this side. I switch it on, then they'll start picking up. Yeah, as you can see. So right now this system is actually keeping track of every power readings that's coming from the plugwise socket, and it's basically streaming these power values, and these power values, they are going through the Storm processing engine, in which Storm basically aggregates these values, calculates the sum, and then tries to actually check if the threshold that the user has set over here, 2000, it has basically reached. Much both of the sockets, they've triggered an alarm. And if we can check in the email, we'll basically be able to see all of these notifications, in which they all happen at the interval of 15 minutes, because that is how we set on the server. So if a notification email is sent right now, it's not gonna come again until 15 minutes have elapsed.